Hello, everybody. Welcome to today's session. In today's session, we're going to go over a few currency pairs I have on my watch list and see what potential trading opportunities we have for this beautiful coming week. So we're going to start with JPYX in this video. In JPYX, I'm going to also be breaking down the pairs on a weekly perspective. If you want to see them, or if you want to see my bias on the lower time perspectives, join a free Telegram that's linked in the description. So from the weekly perspective, we can actually see JPYX has had a major reversal after hitting that monthly structure right here. So you can see last week prices were rejected heavily from this structure, and the momentum isn't seeming to be slowing down anytime soon, as you can see how the candle closed very strong bearish. So what I'm anticipating to see happen on JPYX this coming week is for prices to actually just retest this broken structure and give us selling opportunities for us to sell until it reaches somewhere here. Because obviously we understand that the trend was crazy impulsive bullish, so all we can do right now is ride the sell trend. So once prices reach here, we're gonna get out of the trade and see what potential other trading opportunities we'll actually get. If prices do manage to break below here, then we'll be looking for sell continuations. As we know, JPYX is mad when it starts selling. And if we do get rejections, then we'll be looking for buys. And obviously, once prices break here, we'll wait for the retest and then get the continuation, like multiple trading opportunities, multiple trading opportunities. But for next week, we're going to look for a retest, get a confirmation, and then sell. We don't just wait for prices to reach here. We wait and then get the confirmation, then sell. But obviously, you already know that. So what am I going to be anticipating on the JPYX pairs? Starting off with CAD JPY. CAD JPY, I'm looking to take some buys until somewhere here. So I'm looking for, once prices break here, give me some kind of a retest and then buy until somewhere here and then exit my position. That's my game plan on CAD JPY this coming week, as it will have also changed the trend or created a new higher low, therefore indicating that prices are most likely going to push higher. We have Euro JPY, same thing, anticipating to see prices first break here, give me some kind of a retest, and then pump until it reaches somewhere there. Now, these are lower time frame structures, the ones I'm talking about. You can see them on the weekly, so obviously you have to switch to the lower time frames. Same thing with CAD JPY. This is Euro JPY, the structure I'm talking about. So what I want to see, as I said, I want to see a break above this structure, right? Give me a retest, and then we're going to continue buying until somewhere here. So this is my game plan for next week on CAD JPY and Euro JPY, bullish biased. Okay, so we do also have another JPYX driven pair, that's USD JPY. Now with USD JPY, it's really hard right now to actually understand what pair it's actually, or what index is actually influencing it a lot. But currently, as we can see with this bullish move, it was obviously the JPY. So I'll be waiting for the bullish pump to break above this structure, this trend line, and this resistance, give us a retest here, and then look for buys until prices hit these major structures up here. So that's my game plan on USD JPY for this coming week. Now we do also have our favorite index, DXY, and that's the one I'm going to be talking about next from the weekly perspective. But before I do that, if you're actually gaining value from this video, consider giving us a like, comment, subscribe, and share with a few friends that you believe will also find value in this video. Now, starting off with DXY, we can see from the weekly perspective, prices have been bearish as prices started off high and closed low and creating a new lower low of the week, right? Prices did break below this structure here and they did close below here. So after the break of this trend line here, I'm not going to be looking for exact trades right now. I'm bearish biased. Okay, now I'm bearish biased first and foremost because you can see the structures were broken here. We had this low broken, retested, prices kept pumping down. We had this low broken and prices kept pumping down. And right now, we again have this low already broken and prices pumping down. So with those indications, we understand that prices are in a crazy bearish trend. Now, what I'm waiting for is for prices to actually just pump down here, give me a retest on this thing, and then get a quick scalp until this structure here. Mind you, this is the weekly. So even on a daily, this is how it looks like. It's not a lot of pips. It's just a few pips until somewhere here. And then once prices reach here, I'm going to wait for prices to retrace because I believe prices are going to do a major retracement after they reach here because they've been pumping for way too long. Like everything that goes up must come down. That's the truth. So I'll be anticipating to see somewhere there, or because this is a crazy impulsive move, then 0.3 might also cut it. And you can see 0.3, it's somewhere here. So these will be the structures where I'm looking at closely. So, right, after prices reach here, I'm anticipating to see prices retrace all the way until somewhere here, where, as you can see, we also have this trend line right here, right? So I'm most likely anticipating to see prices actually retrace here rather than here because this has more confluences. This is actually an A1 because it has 3 confluences. So, and less chances for 0.5. So once prices actually break above here, then we know it's obviously for 0.618 and the probability of prices rejecting from here will actually be higher once prices actually reach here. But my eyes will be somewhere here, so I'll be anticipating to see prices retrace on the 0.38. Now, how will that be reflecting on the other currency pairs? We have Euro USD, where as you can see now prices are already bullish. So I'm anticipating to see prices pump until somewhere there. You can see that. It's crazy. So, and then after the pump for this coming week, then we'll be anticipating to see some kind of a retracement, obviously. But next coming week, I'm bullish biased. We have GU. You can already see that confirmation is insane. The trend is strong, ain't stopping it. So obviously next week, I'm anticipating to see prices pump until it reaches 135. So let's round it off. It will obviously just be around 136 to the closest resistance and support, 136 right there. So let's see if it will be worth the move. About 300 pips. It's obviously worth it. So great opportunities this coming week, great trading opportunities, great, and we're gonna bank on them. If you're still not part of the VIP family, you're missing out because I send out my trades whenever I see them, whenever I'm calling the trades, whenever I'm taking it with exact entry and stop losses and take profits so you can know when to exit and make the exact same returns as I'm making. If you're interested, feel free to contact me. You'll find my contact info pinned in the free Telegram group, which is linked in the description. So the last pair of the day, obviously gold. We can see it's creating new higher highs. It's insane, insane, insane. So obviously the trend is still bullish because the dollar is still declining. So we will see prices take out 2,700, I believe, and hit 2,800. So right now, it's actually very hard to predict where prices are going because we don't have formal market structures. But obviously, with the use of Fibonacci extensions, it's very easy to actually determine where prices are most likely going to head. So as you can see here, prices are most likely going to hit around 2750 as the next target. So that's it, guys. If you're interested, yeah. If you're interested, I didn't put the zero. If you're interested in joining the family, joining the community, sheesh, just subscribe. Because if you aren't subscribed, you're missing out. Let's have a great killer week, guys. Appreciate you all. Yeah. Till next time. Cheers.